Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store on your CUBOT X70 as in my situation. To do that we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. There, settings, family and parental control. As you can see now we have page 3 to visible and application. As Mobile Legends games we need more than page 3. To change it we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control and we can easily change it to page 16 by tap on page 16, confirm by got it and save. Or we can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again and it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching. Bye.